how to add funny sound to your video using CapCut. So follow me guys, let me take us through on how to add all this funny sound, this short sound to your video before you post to make it to make it funny, okay? Or to make, so follow me guys, let me take us through. Enter your CapCut, okay? Projects. No, already I have a video to be used. Wait. So, okay. So now I have a video to use it. Okay. So I click on my video. So now let's assume that I want to add a music here. So I'll click on this audio. You see audio down here where the arrow is pointing, click on it. Then click on sounds, click on it. Then it will take me to, now already I have a downloaded short video here, I mean short audio. Okay, so I'll click on this device. So it's scanning through. Then let's say I want to add this sudden suspense. Or let me see another one I can add. Okay, so these are the music short audio sound that I have here. So let me go back there. So if you know the heading, you can just type it and search through. Already I have these sounds downloaded in my phone, so I'll just scroll through it. So see sudden suspense, right? I'll click on it. So let's say I want to use it for this particular photo. It can be video, but I decided to use photo. So these are it is guys. So if I play it, you see bam. Okay, so that's it. So this is how to add short sound. And if it's long sound too, just go to your audio, just go to your audio, then click on sound, go to device, or if you have it extracted too. For me, I have mine in device. See this one, they use your generation play. You can add it to, and
you use your generation to play.
yes, you know. So you can increase the volume.
You use your
Okay,
generation to play.
if this is a video before, you can just reduce the noise of this video, but mine is not a video. You can reduce the noise or reduce the volume so that this one will come up. And if you want them to play at the same time, it's fine. So that's it guys, then that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.